Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be looking at Animal Company's new update. So, in the shop, I can already see something. They've added a new bundle. So it is called the Majesto bundle. You get free elephant head variations, free outfit color variations, and the elephant. And then there's more sci-fi bullshit. So yeah, we are glazing that sci-fi stuff. Right. Anyways, I'm pretty sure Sirs is OG, so like, yeah. Gonna be back. Time to get my kit. Okay guys, let's go check out Sewers. It is back. Remember, I've been here every day with free set that get money for solar, and I've been mining research points, trying to get just unlock stuff. Definitely made the red watch weaker. Right, so let's stick a straight line here. Wait, if OG Sirs is back, then something like really good, certain item unlocked would be back. Fuck off. Really? So maybe a secret shop will be back too. Okay, I'm not hopeful because that cassette tape. Well, I got a nose check down here. Usually there's no tunnel. Oh, it's not back. That's so crappy. But I mean, wait, no. That's strange. Aren't these like all the exact same material? I'm not dying. Oh, fuck, that's so strange. Okay, I see how it is. Nah, because of the stupid grappler nerf, bro. Ain't no way I'm flying up there. Up. Oh, that's about this update done. I don't think you can get to the secret grappler shop anymore. Wah 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 wah